Hi everyone!
Maria
And Diana are back with another video. Today we're going to tackle one familiar topic: Valentine's Day. In China, besides February 14th, there are two festivals that have had a similar function to Western Valentine's Day.
The first one is the Lantern Festival, and it's celebrated on the 15th day of the first Chinese lunar month. The Lantern Festival is the last day, traditionally, of China's most important festival, Spring Festival. The second one is the Double Seventh Festival, and it is now recognized as the Chinese Valentine's Day. It falls on the 7th day of the 7th Chinese lunar month. In 2020, that's August 25th.
But since Western Valentine's Day is approaching, that's the one we want to focus on today.
One of the ways you can teach your students about this holiday is by focusing on the gifts we normally give or receive on February 14th.
Well, some of you who don't have a boyfriend, or if no one loves you, you don't get anything. Or then just buy chocolates and candies for yourself and enjoy.
You deserve chocolate, and no one needs to know.
If you got some candy or chocolates, you can show those to your students.
We're sure they'd love to see some actual candy for a change. If you prefer classroom rewards, here are some examples. You can never go wrong with candy, chocolate, and hearts.
Until next time, bye bye!
Bye bye!